Hey, I'm Karen from I Fix Things, and I don't know about you, but every now and then I get absolutely frustrated about having squirrels raiding my bird feeder. So there are some things that you can put into place with simple household items. The first is a slinky, and then the second is some common everyday zip ties. If you don't have them, go to Lowe's, pick them up. I'm going to show you what you can do to keep squirrels from climbing up your pole and raiding your bird feeders. So here we go. This is a piece of cake. Voila. You remember this. The squirrels are going to love this. And then you're just going to simply figure out a way to mount it onto the pole. So I've got some lovely green zip ties that I'm going to utilize without falling down the mountain. One zip tie looks good, but I think I'm going to go ahead and put an extra one on to kind of shore up any of that tension that's pulling down on it. That feels pretty sturdy. I'm going to go ahead and clip off the parts that are sticking out so some bird doesn't poke its eye out. And there you go. A squirrel is going to be incredibly disoriented by trying to jump up on this. We'll film later and see if it's successful. I'm going to put my birdseed back on it and let the antics begin. Okay, so again, this is Karen from I Fix Things. Sometimes all you got to do is think about a thing or do a little bit of internet research. You too can fix things as well. Thanks. Alrighty, let the fun begin. Oh, here it goes. He's still down there. He's still down there. I'm still recording. He's going around. Here he comes. That was the best one, and I got it. I got it.